Tired of taking the blame. I might as well play the game. Whoa, whoa. Sometimes it's be unfair. I'm not longing to see you. I wanna know how you've been doing over yonder. I told you drop me a line just to say hello, my dear. I'm doing fine. It doesn't matter anyway now, for my love for you will never change. Cause I wanna know now, cause when push comes to shove, cause everybody's gonna put the blame on me for loving you, for loving you. I had your number in my diary, but as soon as I get home, it has been changed. I ain't playing any games now. I wanna know if what we had still remains. Cause I wanna know right now, tell me now, push comes to shove, cause everybody's gonna put the blame on me for loving you, for loving you. Cause when push comes to shove, and everybody's gonna put the blame on me.
All right. Let us hear from the judges, starting with Anthony.
Yeah, you know, a nice slice of Jamaican vibes for the competition. There's a husk to your voice, and it kind of suits those lovers rock kind of vibes. It's okay, but for me, I just a tad too safe. You know, I think you need to push the boundaries a little bit more, come out of your shell and surprise us. That was ultimately unsurprising.
Elaine.
Wow, I agree with you and entirely. Brian, you know, there's something very pleasant about you, but it feels like you're in a box. That's what it feels like. And you move like in a square kind of way, and then you know when you're going to push out your hand so, and you're going to pull it back in like this. So it's true. You need to loosen up. You need to relax and just have a good time, because then your audience is going to relax and have a good time with you. It was an okay performance. You have a good voice, but there's something about you that needs to be ignited so that everyone gets excited about who you are.
Conroy.
So it's a good song, and you have a good voice, and there's a match, but it was the wrong song for you to sing tonight because the song doesn't go anywhere. So it's hard for you to show, unless you're going to take it and arrange it and do something with it that's different from the original, then you're going to be stuck.
All right, thanks, judges.